Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. So I got a lot of comments on my grocery haul video from a couple weeks ago, and a lot of people were commenting on the pancake on a stick. So it's sausage in the middle with some pancake on the outside. I get these for the kids, they love them. But I actually decided to make them ourselves. So I got this really great little mini, it's a corn dog maker. So it makes 6 mini little corn dogs at a time. So I got this on Amazon. It is really great. I'll link it in the description if you want to get one of these to make your own hot dog on a stick or pancake on a stick. These really turned out really good. I made them with the boys the other day. So I'm going to do a big batch of pancake on a sticks today. So I have maple link sausage, so I'll cook that up on the stove and cook it all the way through. And then I'll mix up some pancake batter. I got these little bamboo sticks off of Amazon also. I'll link those. They're really great with this maker. So I'll make these all up. I'll put it in this little corn dog maker, and we'll have pancake on a stick ready to go for the boys for their breakfast. They love these, so I'm gonna make a big batch this time.
All right, so I'm going to cook the maple link sausage on the stove. I have this little grill pan. It's perfect for indoor grilling. So I'm gonna put it out on the pan. I'm gonna cook it for a few minutes for each side until it's cooked all the way through. Once all of the sausage is cooked, I'm gonna let it cool so that I can stick the little skewers on the end of it so that I can stick that into the batter for the pancake on a stick. So I'm going to just use a regular pancake mix. I'm going to mix it to the instructions on the package. So for this I have 2 cups of mix and 1.5 cups of water. So I'm just going to mix that all the way through and so that it's ready to go onto our sausage links. So I have the mini corn dog maker heated up. I'm going to spray it with cooking spray, and then I'm going to dip each sausage into the pancake batter. I'll set it into the maker, and then I'm going to add more pancake batter so that it can go all the way around the sausage. And I'm going to do that for each sausage, and this is going to make 2 batches in the maker for this one. All right, so the light says that the mini corn dog on a stick is done. So I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to take them out. So there's a little bit of trimming that you need to do on the sides if you want to make these really pretty.
All right, so our homemade pancake on a sticks are all ready to go for the week. The boys love these. They can be frozen also if you want to make a big batch and freeze some. I'm not sure, I think that the boys will probably eat these in a week because they think that they're delicious. So check the description for the link for the mini corn dog maker, also for the little skewers, and I'll have all the ingredients and everything that I used there in the description box, so check that out. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my other videos. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.